Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the JLab Go Pop ANC truly wireless noise cancelling earbuds. So what makes this so special? They're ANC, they're active noise cancelling earbuds, which is nothing uncommon, but it's the price tag. In the United States, it retails for full price, not on sale, full price of $30. Here in Canada, it retails for about $39. So truly extraordinary. JLabs makes some pretty bold claims that this is, I think they claim one of, if not the cheapest noise cancelling earbuds in the entire world. So I'm going to put it through the ringer through an actual thorough testing and analysis in my review. A link to the review will be available in the video description. But yeah, let's just continue diving in. So the box itself was pretty small, and it's interesting because so is the case encompassing the equipment that comes with it. So the USB cable is attached to the case, a little unique, and the earbuds themselves are rather small. They don't have a big bulgy body to each one. So really small earbuds, small case, small footprint overall. That explains why the box it came in is just so small and thin. So I'm just looking to see if I missed anything, although I doubt it because the cable is already attached to the case. I'm looking for the documentation of safety and warranty information, and here seems to be the quick start guide, which is nothing too extraordinary. So again, be sure to check out a link to the review as well as my social media links and website link also in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.